Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick clearance fall craft. Something quick, simple, and cheap. I have two candlesticks that I got from Home Goods. They were on clearance. It says $9.99 for two, but one was slightly damaged, just needed to be glued back together. Got it for $3. These fall candles, Hobby Lobby on clearance, 40% off. And also the fall foliage, Hobby Lobby, 40% off right now. So all we're going to simply do is just kind of dress up these gold candlesticks, give it some fall flair by wrapping the foliage around the top and placing the candle. It's just going to make all the simple items collectively give a little bit more pop. And all we need is a hot glue stick, hot glue gun, and some scissors. Make it simple. I'm gonna use this just to connect to the other end. Cut it so we have something to connect to. I'm just gonna wrap it. Wrap it and hook it, and we'll just use the glue stick sparingly just to anchor. So there's not a whole lot of work, not a whole lot of fuss. Just wrap it around. Find that little nodule that you cut. We'll lock this piece back in and wrap it around some more. Just like that. See, that took all 30 seconds. What we're gonna do is just take our glue gun and just kind of secure it in maybe 2 or 3 places so it doesn't slide down. It'll get us through the fall season. And we'll just simply place our clearance candle on top. And again, we're going to be making 2 candlesticks. Be careful. The glue gun is hot. This isn't even my hottest one, but just the same, it's still hot. When it comes down to using glue sticks, my pet peeve is leaving out a little spider webby remnants there. Make sure you go back later and clean it up. It's supposed to look cute. And it's supposed to be a bargain find. It's not supposed to look like a bargain find. And sometimes you just have to hold it there. Just gonna put another dip on this side. And hold it there. You can also take some foam and sit directly on top and kind of carve out a circle. So you can kind of insert, and then you can use floral pins to anchor it. Thing with this is sometimes you got to use the resources you have instead of going out and buying extra stuff. Just make it work. There's always more than one way to skin a cat. So if you don't have a supply item that's ever advised, think outside the box and find another way to do it based on your budget and what you have and your skill level. Because I'm going to guarantee you the second candlestick isn't going to look exactly like the first one. That's what happens when you do things by hand. Okay, and just hold it for a few more seconds. And then you just want to make sure it's nice and ruched the way you want. Again, find your anchoring spots. If you need more than 2 or 3 dabbles of hot glue, add what you need. Just make sure it looks nice and neat. And of course, the hotter the glue gun, the better the adhesion. So That one's holding up pretty good, even though my glue gun hadn't been preheating as long as it should have. But it's pretty good. So I just advise, be prepared. This was an impromptu because I found these items. I just want to get it done and move on to the next project. And then, like I said, you're simply just gonna, when they're both done, you're gonna place both candles on top of the stick, just like that. And I'll show you where I'm gonna place them at.